In this video, I want to be giving you my Stan Store review. So, Stan Store has quickly become the go-to platform for creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs who want a simple way to sell their digital products, memberships, and services, all from one link. If you ever felt limited by regular link in bio tools, Stan takes things to the next level. So, the setup is straightforward. You can design a storefront in just a few minutes, add products like ebooks, courses, or one-on-one sessions, and start selling without needing a complicated website. What makes it powerful is the built-in checkout system, which supports digital downloads, subscriptions, and even list growth, so you don't need to juggle multiple tools. Now, the interface is clean, mobile friendly, and customizable enough to match your personal brand. It also integrates with popular platforms like Zoom, email providers, and payment processors, making it easy to run your business from one place. On the plus side, Stan Store really shines for creators who value simplicity and speed. You don't need coding skills, and you can start earning almost immediately. But on the downside, customization is more limited compared to a full website, and some advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans. Overall, the Stan Store is an excellent choice if you want a professional storefront without the hassle of building a full e-commerce site.